Hello everyone, welcome back to Lax Slime and Squishy. So in this video, I'll show you my current slime collection. So let's move on with the video. My first slime is the cotton candy slime. It is buttery plus fluffy plus cloudy as well. Basically, I made it by adding some lotion into the Model Magic clay, and it turned out so amazing fluffy slime. I keep adding some lotion to make it softer as well as to keep it scented. My second favorite slime is the fizzy drink slime. Just admire how cool the container is. So let's see what we have got inside. It's a clear slime with foam beads on top, just like we've got in the soda drinks. It's super stretchy clear slime. I cannot just stop playing with it. This is my crunchy slime with a mermaid charm in it. As you know that the crunchy slimes are a bit harder, they do not stretch much. My next slime is a Black Beauty. This is my third favorite slime. It's super stretchy plus glossy plus shiny. It's way too glistening. Just see how stretchy it is.
Ow,
My
it's fucking
gosh, it's
gonna
just
fall
gonna go
down
down
and mama's gonna
and
be
my
me
carpet
cuts.
I'm gonna add some glitter in my fizzy drink slime. So let's see how it goes. This is my first video of intro, so please subscribe to my channel and give a huge thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed this video, so please comment down below if you want any slime recipes, and in my next video I'm gonna show you my squishy collection. Ah, yeah.